Hello, in this video, we will begin to introduce functions in chapter 6. Let's look at this code. The first 4 lines is to add the integers from 1 to 10 into sum. This is to display the sum of integers from 1 to 10. The next 4 lines is to get the sum of integers from 20 to 37. And the last 4 lines is to obtain the sum of integers from 35 to 49. Now look at these 3 segments of the code. They are very similar, except that this ranges are different. This is 1 to 11. This is 20 to 38. This is 35 to 50. If you have a lot of this similar code, it's better to define a function. Here we define this function sum to sum the integers from I1 to I2. So this is the result returned. You invoke this function 1 to 10, and this is sum of the integers from 20 to 39. This is the sum of integers from 35 to 49. Before this chapter, we already used a lot of functions. We used the math functions. We used the functions in the total module, in the time module, and even this print is a function. Now, in this chapter, we will learn how to define our own functions. So this is example to define our own function. This is sum is the function name and with the parameters. When you invoke the function, you pass the actual parameters. We're going to look at this more in the rest of this chapter. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.